Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Before doing anything else, check if the chat was accidentally archived instead of deleted. Tap Archived at the top of the chat screen. If you find your chat there, press and hold the chat, then tap the unarchive icon at the top. Your chat will return to the main chat list. If the chat was actually deleted, go back to the main screen. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap Chats. Then select Chat Backup. Here, check the date and time of your latest backup. If the backup was created before you deleted the messages, you can recover them. Now, go to your phone's home screen. Press and hold the WhatsApp app, then tap Uninstall. After that, open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and install it again. Once the installation is complete, open WhatsApp. Tap Agree and Continue, then verify your phone number. After verification, WhatsApp will detect your Google Drive backup. Tap Restore to recover your chats and deleted messages. Wait for the restore process to finish, then tap Next. Your chats and messages from the backup will now appear in WhatsApp. And that's how you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.